Hi, my Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tacoa, and I am Southern Tea Time. So welcome to my tea party. And at my tea party, I become your planner idealist, where I share planner-related videos, planner setup tips and ideas, sticker book flip-throughs, and a little bit of crafting hauls, and so much more. So make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to become a part of my Tea Party Squad and to get notified when new content uploads here at my tea party. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my Oso paper haul. I also picked up my Oso paper monthly subscription that I also want to share with you later. But this is a haul that I picked up during the Black Friday sale. And I thought I'd go ahead and share that with you because I need to use some of these stickers in some spreads. So some of these that I'm showing you now are some monthly freebies, but I also purchased them at a discounted rate because they were part of the Black Friday. And so that was December 2019. And then this is actually a freebie that you get with the order. And I also just purchased another one so that I can share it with a planner friend and do some happy mail. So I purchased another one for that. And then these are some more of the monthlies that I picked up that I also want to include in parts of my monthly spreads in my Frankenplan planner. And I just thought that I would get certain months in there just depending on what month it is that I want to plan for. But so far, these are my favorite months. I cannot wait to see what Danielle with Oso Paper has in store for this coming year monthly dolls. And then my last item is this Desiree Bills sticker that I wanted to just also include when I have upcoming bills that, you know, your girl has to empty her pockets for. So that's it for the Black Friday deal that I had. That's what I picked up from her shop. And so, oh, I also picked this up as well. I'm sorry. So I picked up this calendar that I have been eyeing for quite some time since she released this. And I love this because it comes with 12 monthly cards, of course, and each month is a different doll. Now, this doll reminds me of Oprah Winfrey just because of the hair and the outfit. And so that's January of 2020. And on the back of all of those has the Oso paper scribble prints on the back. But that's February. I love March doll, of course, April showers doll, of course, and then May flowers. I love how she's coordinating with that. And then you have the June doll, July, August, September, October, breast cancer month awareness, November, and December. I'm loving all of these cards. I'm thinking about doing something with these cards once the year is up. I'm not for sure yet, but I was thinking about maybe trimming them down to size and maybe cutting it halfway and then saving the dolls that way. And then I was thinking of maybe just putting one card at a time on the easel. And that easel also comes with this purchase. And then I thought about maybe just keeping up with it. Just place the months to the back. And that way I can keep up with it a little easier versus just kind of putting one card at a time. I think I may end up setting it up that way because I'll be able to keep up with it instead of, you know, putting one card at a time as the months change. So I think I'm going to do that. So in preparation of 2020, I'm setting up my desk. So I thought I'd go ahead and share that with you. And so next up is my monthly subscription, which is January 2020. I'm super excited. And so with this subscription, you get one magnet that is inspired by Oso Paper Freebie of the month. And so I cannot wait to place this on my, actually, I'm going to place this on my planner card. So how cute would this be if you place this on your planner card? I have a white card and a black card. So I have two to choose from, but I know that it's going to look so good on both of those cards or on one of those cards. So I'm really excited about that. That is my first magnet actually. And then you get one postcard also inspired by Oso Paper Freebie of the month. Absolutely love this postcard. I think this would be something really cute to kind of send as a happy mail of some sort, but I'm really excited because this is super cute, you know? And if you love Oso paper dolls as much as I do, please make sure you check my description box down below because I will have some more information about the monthly subscriptions for you. This is the freebie first. Of course, that's what the postcard and the magnet is inspired by. So that's a freebie given for the month of January of 2020. And you can always tell by that little notation at the top right corner. All right, so let's go ahead and meet some of these lovely Mininista for the month. So we have Lena and Kenya. We have Lena to the left, and then we have Miss Kenya on the right for January 2020. And they look super cute and comfortable. I'm loving their hair too, by the way. Next up, we have Yolanda, Katrina, Cora, and Jessica. Yes, I'm loving their outfits. These are some ladies that are about their business. Next up, we have, I think this is Naya, Jocelyn, Sasha, and Brandy. I'm loving the Jocelyn doll and that Brandy doll, okay? That is totally me. I'm loving this. So with this subscription kit, you are going to get 2 5x7 sheets, 1 5x4, and 1 4x3. And that 4x3 is that freebie that you will get. So I absolutely love this. And of course, you will also get that postcard. And last but not least, you are going to get a 10-page Mininista coloring book. And this is of each doll in this coloring book. I absolutely love this. So check this out. This coloring book is everything. Oh my goodness. I think I actually got a toothache with all this sweetness in there. So again, with this monthly subscription, you are going to get 1 large, 1 medium, and 2 small dolls on each of those sheets. And you will also receive the monthly freebie in your order. You will get that 10-page Mininista coloring book, 1 magnet inspired by the freebie of the month, and 1 postcard inspired by the freebie of the month as well. And these sticker sheets, you get 2 5x7 sheets, 1 5x4, and 1 4x3 sheet, which is that freebie. And so you guys, I hope you enjoyed this Ulcer paper haul. And please don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell. And make sure to stay tuned for my upcoming video that will be here at my tea party really soon. Thanks for watching.